Where's the balls? Here it is. Good girl. Come on. Bring it over. Ooh, don't let it fall in. Bring it here. Bring it here. Hey, hey. Get it. Good girl. Oh, you got two of them. You got two of the three. Come on, bring him here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Bloop. See it? Right there. Good girl. She got them both. Nothing down there anymore. 3 golf balls. Bring me a ball. Come on. Come on. I don't think that's gonna make it. Where's it? Easy one, huh? Easy one? Come on. Alright, let me back this out just a little bit. Sit. Sit. Good girl. No, no more shaking. Stay. 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 Lee. Where is it? Well, you got it. Good girl. Where's it? Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Come on. Put it in my hand. Come on. No. In my hand. In my hand. Put it in my hand. Right here. Well, it's close. I don't think she's going to get that one. That's a little deep. 6.5 feet deep here. Right there. Right there. See if I can zoom in on this golf ball. There it is, right there. Yep, there she goes. Good girl. I didn't think you'd get that one. That should make fetching ducks on the water much easier. Okay, sit. Good girl. From Lee and Tom at Twin Lakes. Sit. Good girl. Hey, look at the camera. Good day.